Hey guys, what's up? Nathan here from Worship Calling and the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition. This week's progression, super simple. We're just looking at a real simple, just A, D, if I can play it, the E. A, D, and E. But as always, I want to mix that up. I want to do something different. So what I'm going to go into is I'm actually going to do one of my favorites, position 1. So, right, we're in the key of A. Position 1, you know, if you've been following along, looks like the E, open E chord, but we're just moving it up here to make it the A, right? And I'm just playing the bottom half. Now, this week, I am actually barring my B and my E string with my index finger to get that A. And then for my D, I'm just throwing my pinky down to make a D suspended chord. And then for my E, I'm going into that the C, like the C chord shape, right? So imagine that open C, right? We're just moving that up here to make it an E. But I'm probably not even going to put my pinky on that. I'm just going to play it the bottom half. I think that would add huge to the sound in a full band setting, right? Just coming in with that just lush ambient reverb. That D suspended just adds something there. Now, obviously, you could also, kind of what I like to do from time to time, throw in some delay, kind of pull that ambient back just a little bit, and hit your double stops. Again, we know we're in the key of A, right? We know that position 1 scale. I'm just going to hit some double stops in that, right? So we know that A-shaped chord that we were just playing. Maybe I'll just double stop it on my G and B string. Knowing that scale, I could throw my pinky or my ring finger anywhere. Right? I could throw the pinky right up here. That's part of that A major scale. There's just a ton of stuff that you could do to just change up your playing, mix it up, add to the sound, right? Add to the sound that your band is producing. You're just adding texture. I think it sounds cool. I think it sounds better than just playing those cowboy chords along with everybody else that's kind of driving and leading the song. So with that, I hope you enjoy that. Hope it gives you some ideas. As always, make every strum count, and I'll see you guys next time.